Hello children, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. Today's memory verse is trust in the Lord with all your heart. We should trust God with all our heart. Okay? Now we'll go into the lesson, that is mathematics. And in the last class we have seen unit 3, that is measurements. So in unit 3 we have learned about non-standard units and standard units. Non-standard units are like tamarind seeds, stones, pebbles, erasers, etc. And standard units will be milligrams, grams and kilograms. And 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams. 1 kilogram, that is kg. 1 kg is 1000 grams. Gram is g. 1 kilogram is 1000 g. 1 gram is 1000 mg. Okay. So the smaller unit is milligram, that is mg. The bigger unit is kilogram, kg. Okay. So half kg is 500 grams. Okay. 1 kg is 1000 grams. So in this half of 1000 is 500. 500. In this half, 1/4. 1/4 is, in this half of 500 is 250. Okay. So 3/4 means this plus this. How much? Half plus 1/4. That is 3/4 kg. 3/4 means how much? 500 plus 250. That is 750 grams. So we have learned this. And then we have seen the book exercise, that is odd one out. And then fill in the blanks, short forms. And we have seen this exercise, that is 1 kg is 1000 grams and it requires 10 bags. 2 kg means 2020 bags. 5 kg means 5050 bags. 10 kg means 10,000 grams, 100 bags. Again 2 means 2000 grams, 20 bags. 500 grams means 500 grams, 5 bags. And then we have seen this exercise, that is price of 100 grams of ice cream. So 100 grams of ice cream is 20 rupees. We have to find out 1 kg ice cream. So 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Here we know 100 grams is 20 rupees. So 1000 grams is how much we have to find. So what we should do? 1000 into 20 divided by 100. Okay. So 1000 into 20 divided by 100. Okay. So 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel. So 10 into 20. 10 into 20. 10 into 20 how much? 20 into 10. 0 zeros are 0, 0 zeros are 0. 1 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2. So answer is 200. Right? So 1 kg ice cream is 200 rupees. Okay, understood? Next. Here the next question is 1 kg sugar is 50 rupees. So we have to find out 2000 grams of sugar. How much cost? Okay. So we all know that 1 kg sugar is 1000 grams. 1 kg is 1000 grams. Okay. 1 kg is 1000 grams we know. So 1000 grams, that is 1 kg is equals to 50 rupees. 1000 grams is 50 rupees. So we have to find out 2000 grams. So 2000 into 50 divided by 1000. So 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. So 50 into 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10. So answer is 100. So 1 kg is 50 means here 2000 grams. 2000 grams means nothing but 2 kg. Right? 1 kg is 1000 grams. So 2000 grams means 2 kg. So 2 kg is 100 rupees. Okay. Next. The next question is 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. Here 3 kg flour she has to pack in 500 grams each. 500 grams. So 500 grams. We all know 500 grams means half kg. Right? So 3 kg flour in 500 grams. So 1 packet is equals to half kg. So 2 packets 2 kg. So 3 kg means how much? Okay. Now same way 3 into 2 divided by 1. So that is 6. Okay. Otherwise you can see like this. 1 packet is equals to half kg. 2 packets 1 kg. 3 packets 1.5 kg. Okay. 4 packets. Like that we can see 4 packets. Okay. 2 kg. So 5 packets 2.5 kg. Then 6 packets 3 kg. So 3 kg is 6 packets. So this is the answer. Okay, like this also you can write. Okay. So she packed in 6 packets. Okay, with that we have finished that lesson. Now the fourth lesson, that is time. Okay, we will see a new lesson, that is time. Okay, so time means everyone will see the watch, right? If someone asks time, we'll immediately see watch. So see here, in the classroom, children will tell, good morning teacher. Teacher will ask, good morning children, and she will ask Ramya to stand up, and teacher will ask Ramya, when do you come to school? Ramya will tell, by 8 o'clock teacher. Then teacher will be asking, how do you know the time? Then Ramya will tell, my mother tells me the time by looking at the clock, teacher. Then teacher will be asking, do you know to find the time by looking at the clock? Ramya says, no teacher. Teacher will tell, children, today we shall learn to find the time by looking at the clock. So now we are going to learn time. Okay. So here see, we'll see 1 to 12 numbers in the clock. And it has 2 hands. One is long hand, another one is shorter hand. See, 1 to 12 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we can see here one small shorter hand and one longer hand. And this one you just leave. We'll talk about this in the next term. Okay, so this is shorter hand and this is longer hand. Now, see, this shorter hand is called hour hand. Hour, H-O-U-R, hour. The longer hand is called minute, M-I-N-U-T-E, minute. Okay, remember this one. Our hand, smaller one is our hand, bigger one is minute hand. Okay. Now see here. Now our hand, where is the our hand? On which number it is? 4. Right. Now where is the minute hand? It is showing here. So we don't know now what is the time, right? See here. After 1, here one number is there. So, we call 1 as 5, 2 as 10, 3, 15, 4, 20, 5, 25, 6, 30, 7, 35, 8, 40, 9, 45, 10, 50, 11, 55, 12, 60. Okay, remember this. 1 we have to call it as 5. Okay. So 5. After that, after 5 one dot is there, no, that is 6. Next dot 7. Next 8. Next 9. Then 2 means 10. Okay. So see here the same thing. See, when the hour hand is there on 10 10 here. So wherever the hour hand is there, we'll count this side numbers only, inside numbers only. Okay, when you count, when you see the hour hand, if it is on 4, we will say that as 4 only. When the longer hand, that is the minute hand, where it is, we have to count this numbers, this blue color numbers. Okay, so now our hand is on 4. This minute hand is on 7. See, 5, 6, 7. So the time is 4, 7. Okay, understood? Now tell me the time for this. The small hand, that is shorter hand, is on 10, and this hour minute hand is on this 10. Okay, so 10 is the time. Understood? So this is the way we have to see. Whenever you see this is the clock, you remember this one. Okay, this red color is inside numbers. So whenever the smaller hand, we have to see inside numbers. This bigger hand, we have to see outside numbers. Okay, first you learn this outside numbers, because inside numbers it is very easy. For every clock it will be there, inside numbers, 1 to 12 numbers. For all the watches and clocks it will be there. But the outside numbers you will not see. So what you have to do, you have to know, or you have to learn these numbers. Okay, 1 means 5, 2 means 10, all 5 table only, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, like that until 60. Okay, so when this one is here in 60, means it is 0. Okay, when the minute hand is in 12, that means it is 4 o'clock. Okay, not 4:60, 4 o'clock. But when it is 4:11, means 4:55 until 4 here 4:59. But when it comes to 60, that is on 12, that time we have to tell 4 o'clock. Okay, so if it is on 5 o'clock. Okay, I'll show you the pictures. Wait. Okay, children, see here, this is the longer hand is on 12, so it is 7 o'clock. Okay, so this longer hand, whenever it is at 12, we have to count it as 0, 0. Okay, see here, see, it is 5 o'clock, 5, 0, 0. Okay, see here, the smaller hand, that is shorter hand, is at 5 and longer is 12. So 5 o'clock. Okay, then next this one, 6 o'clock. So after 5, after 1 hour, what will happen? It will become 6 o'clock. Okay, 5 o'clock is there. After 1 hour means from the smaller hand, short hand, from 5 to 6 it will move. From 6 to 7 after 1 hour. Okay, after 1 hour, then 8. Like that it will move. Okay. See here, this is the position of the hour hand, and write the time in the given box. See here, can you tell me the answer for this one? This is 3 o'clock, right? See, the smaller hand is on 3 and it is on 12. So 3 o'clock. Here 8. Smaller hand is 8. Next here, shorter hand is at 9. So 9 o'clock. Here, shorter hand is at 4. So 4 o'clock. Here, shorter hand is at 2. So 2 o'clock. Okay. So this is the answers for that. Very easy, right? If you know that, it is very easy. Okay. So can you find out the next one? That is the assignment I have given. So I hope you understood this one. So just do it and show me. Send me through WhatsApp. Okay, children. That is this one. See, draw the hands in the following clocks to show the given time. See here, 11 o'clock. Can you draw the hand for 11 o'clock? This is 1 o'clock for 1 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Draw these hands. Okay, remember, always remember, the bigger hand should be at 12. Okay, for 0 0 means it should be 12 and the smaller hand should be the number given here. Okay. Okay children, understood? From now you can also know the time. Okay, just see your clock in the house and know the time. Okay children, learn it properly and do this assignment and send me through WhatsApp. Okay children, I hope you all understood. Thank you.